On today's vlog from DIY Backyard Paradise by the Kilted Ducky will be our new outdoor theater. Angela bought a 44-inch Camp Chef outdoor movie screen. That's 144 inches of outdoor movie goodness. The screen came with a steel frame in multiple pieces with spring-loaded buttons. It all came in a nice carrying case and the screen in a separate case of its own. The screen clips right onto the frame. It is a great setup and I was able to set it up by myself. The projector is a Fangar with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth hookups. It wasn't loud enough playing the Bluetooth speakers through the projector on Friday night. Saturday, I went to Best Buy and purchased a 2-channel amplifier. I had a couple of small speakers in the garage and I hooked them into the amp. This made it possible to turn up the volume so we could actually hear the movie. The amplifier is Bluetooth, so it hooked into the projector through the Bluetooth. We still aren't able to turn the Bluetooth speakers up enough because of the background noise in the backyard. I have a jack coming and I'm going to try to do a workaround with the Bluetooth speaker problem, plugging it straight into the amplifier and having a second Bluetooth signal sent to the speakers. I'll keep you updated on that and if it works.
Sometimes it gets bumpy, what with family and kids and things not going exactly like you planned, but that's what makes it interesting. In life, the first act always exciting.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. For alerts of future videos, ring the bell notification. And finally, if you appreciate the content, please give me a big thumbs up.
I think if the buzzer was here, he'd want me to try. I think he'd want us all to try.
Is that William Shatner? All right, let's do this thing.
It's on!